Hello and welcome to today's daily message on this feast of the presentation of our Lord. Today I want to offer a reflection on the first reading for today's liturgy, which comes from the book of the prophet Malachi. The prophet talks about how the day of the Lord is coming, and he says, "Who will endure the day of his coming, and who can stand when he appears? For he is like the refiner's fire, or like the fuller's lye. He will sit refining and purifying silver." We're familiar with the process of refining metal. It requires fire to burn off the impurities so that the silver or whatever metal might be is pure and so that it's at its best. And this process of refining can also be applied to our spiritual life. We all have our own impurities, our prejudices, our quick judgments about people, our stubborn habits, those that are so hard to break. We can refine our spiritual life in the fire of daily awareness of our shortcomings and through the daily effort to learn how to manage them and not give in to them. And when we do that, the metal of our life, our silver, is pure and it's at its best. And so I invite us all to reflect on that process of refining that takes place throughout our lives as we seek to become closer and closer to the Lord, to become a more pure metal to give honor to our God. Thank you for watching today.